Welcome to Pete's Garage. Today, I'll be changing the power steering pump on my pickup truck. It has been dying for quite some time and I now need to change it. The actual back of the housing is leaking and I think I have a bad seal for the high pressure hose, and also the pump itself is failing. So today it's got to go. On to it. Alright, here we go. Let's leave the power steering system. It's literally just going to be a bunch of twirling the steering wheel back and forth. Alright, ready? There we go. Now, as you can see, it's all nice and aerated, and I just have to let the system settle down. Then I'll do the cycle all over again. It's a process. The reason why I'm doing all this is because this stupid thing right here was rubbing against a bracket and it wore a hole in that return line and it was leaking. So, no big deal. We'll let the pump settle down. You can see it's settling down already. Give it half an hour, it'll go back to regular, and then we'll do it again. So now that it's all done, The power steering system is bled properly and it doesn't make any noise now. However, ever since I changed the pump, it has developed a significant miss and is running inconsistently. So it is obviously electrical, and now I need to figure out what exactly is wrong. But I'm starting to suspect this. All right, well, this is a lesson in paying attention to the corrosion in your battery. This is the main power bus for the entire vehicle. This goes straight to the starter, obviously, so that doesn't provide power to the vehicle. This is for the amplifier, so that doesn't provide power to the vehicle. It's that. And as you can see, that's just about gone. Yeah, and this wire is completely corroded. So, time to fix that. All right, here's another weird problem I've been having with my truck recently. The spark plug wires keep coming loose. It's really annoying. So, I'm going to change them. Okay, problem solved. All of my drivability issues were because of that power lead. And so I replaced them. I actually used a main power bus for a old winch that I had laying around. And I ran it through. And I brought it into the main bus. And all is good. As soon as I did that, everything started working correctly. Well, after I replaced that flaky plug wire, all the others seem to be holding up. I've already had to replace two in the back. I don't know if you can see them very well. Well, one, because that one was popping loose. It was really weird. I was driving up the mountain towing my Jeep, and it started popping and sputtering. I popped the hood, and there were two plug wires just kind of flopping around on the exhaust manifold. It's like, son of a... Well, anyways. But now everything's fixed. The alternator's working fine. There was no problem with that. It was all about that flaky power connector. All done.